One of the common things I get asked a lot is, I work as a full-time doctor. How do I do all the real estate myself? I can tell you, I don't do it myself. It's based on one big concept in real estate that we use daily in medicine. It's called leverage. Let me explain you based on medicine what leverage is. In medicine, when we're working, suppose I'm working in the ER, I have medical students, residents, respiratory therapists, nurses, PAs, medical assistant, technicians, pharmacists, all these people helping us out, right? So I can't do everything myself. If the code happens, I can't be doing chest compression, bagging, pulling out the medication, pushing the medication, talking to the parents, all these things myself, right? We have a team of people helping you out. Same thing happens in real estate. You leverage the power of your team. So if something happens to my property, I'm not waking up in the middle of the night to go fix it. I'm not trying to plunge a toilet or put a hole in the wall. That's where your team comes in. So in real estate, while you think that you feel like you need to do everything yourself, there are contractors, your handyman, property managers, your real estate investor, friends, your realtors, your mortgage lenders, all these people, they help you out when you're trying to buy a real estate. So as physicians, I think we are so well versed in using leverage daily in our medical practice. I think it translates really well to real estate, and that's how I'm able to do all the real estate while doing medicine full time.